Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Wrike, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options, allowing users to adapt the platform through time tracking, sprints, and custom fields. You can easily integrate the tools you already use or replace them, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Wrike is a flexible project management tool that focuses on collaboration and visibility. It offers features such as dashboard, automation, mobile and desktop app, proofing, cross-tagging, Kanban boards, project resource planning, Gantt charts, approvals, custom item types, dynamic request forms, and integrations. It also offers most versatile work management platform with powerful enterprise-ready solutions. In the terms of pricing, Wrike offers a free plan for teams getting started. For growing teams, Teams Plan is priced at $9.89. Lastly, Business Plan is priced at $25 for big organizations. Wrike also offers Enterprise Plan with custom annual billing and advanced features. In summary, both ClickUp and Wrike offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if collaboration and visibility are your top priorities and you appreciate dynamic request forms and advanced analytics, Wrike could be the ideal solution for your team. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.